Welcome back to SpadeCardMagic. Today I'm going to teach you a really cool 4-ace trick. So before I begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. The spectator is going to be looking for the 4 aces. So they can start off by cutting roughly halfway down the deck and flipping that over. And now we can stop at the first face down card. So that would be this card right here. Now we can use this card and flip everything back over. So now like so. And now the spectator will just do that again. So we can cut down the deck like so, flip it over, and now find the first face down card once again. So now the spectator would have stopped at this card right here. Now we can use this. And now once more. So now we can flip it back over. And now one more time, so the spectator, let's say they cut right here. We're going to need one more card. So now we can find the last face down card the spectator stopped at, and that would be this card right here. We're actually done because we found 3 cards, and all the spectator needs to do now is just spread through the deck. And there's actually a face up card, which is an ace, because the 3 cards they found were actually aces. This trick is pretty simple, but there is a small setup. So all you need are your 4 aces and pull those out and split them into 2 piles. And then you need 2 random cards, any random cards, then put them on top of the 2 aces on one pile. And then the other 2 you put face down on that. Then you put this big stack on top of the deck. So this is what you should have on the top. Now, with this, you have the spectator start off by cutting like half and then turning that over. And what you're looking for is the first face down card. Now be very careful when you spread because you don't want to flash the other aces past this point. So now this card, you just want to pull out slowly and put down, which it'll be an ace. Everything above this card right here, you want to take off, put it down, and set everything on top. And you want to repeat that procedure again. So have the spectator cut down, flip that over. Then you look for a face down card, the first one. And now you have to be a little more careful than last time spreading because there will be a little less cards. Now you're just spreading at this point. And now we see this card. Now see how I flashed right there? And now we can spread the cards, and now you have to be a little more careful than last time because you have one less card. So now here's the card, and now we can pull that out and put it next to the other one right here. And once again, we take everything here, put it face down, and put the rest of the cards on top of it. Lastly, we have the spectator do this for the last time. We have them cut, flip it over, and now this time you have to be very careful because spreading will immediately flash like that card right here. So you have to do this one very cautiously, and it's right here. And now you can just spread everything in front of it and pull this card out and put it down. Now once you do that, you want to flip everything above this again, and now that's it. You don't have to put it below everything because you still have one ace that's face up. And you can tell the spectator to spread through the deck and look for that ace. And then once they look for that ace and pull it out, they will begin to realize that these are the other aces. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on SpadeCardMagic.